In front of me is REALME Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!